Alright, the best way to implement internal link for your blog post, if you don't know what's the good way to internal link, many people struggle with internal linking to their blog post. You can right now use free ChatGPT AI to implement internal link strategy in a better way. I'm going to show you one of the example which I took is the blogstarter.com, and I went to their sitemap. If you don't know how to go to sitemap, you simply type in a URL. So let's just say this is your domain, right? I simply type in the sitemap.xml and you're going to get the, you're going to get the first step of XML, which is the post pages and author pages, categories, tags. And then what you want to do is go into the post and you will find all the blog posts. If you go into the pages, you will find all the pages which are related to that domain, okay? And then what you want to do is go to the post and take a screenshot of this. So let me just, all right, so I took a screenshot of this, and what I'm going to do is I have copied this prompt. So let me just go back. Where is it? Yes, so right now you can see it, this has no internal link right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. So let me just paste the image. So I took a screenshot of the sitemap and I just pasted the sitemap structure, okay? Internal link for internal link. Second thing, what you want to do is copy the paragraph where you want to implement the internal link. Since this paragraph doesn't have any internal links or external links, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to give this prompt. So it says, hey, this is my blog sitemap, of all blog posts from the domain, and I want you to use it for implementing internal link in the following blog post, blog content, okay? And just implement, don't change anything, just implement but don't change anything. So I'm going to paste the blog content and that's it, and it will do the job for you. And make sure you select the reasoning. If you don't select the reasoning, it's also fine, but it wouldn't be that optimal as I've seen. So I just tested 10 to 20 prompts yesterday, and I came up with these two prompts, which these two methods. If you don't know how to internal link or external link, for those people who are getting into SEO or starting into blogging, this is the best strategy which they can use when you're writing a blog article or blog post or to rank on Google. Now let's just wait and see what it returns. So it just takes time because we are using a free model. So right now you can see it went on, started implementing the internal linking, okay? And it has given where to implement, and you can see all these are internal links extracted from this image, from this list of internal links, all the blog posts which we have written. And so it has even added in the middle, so you can see how to build an email list. Okay, all right, so this is how you take one of the image which contains all the blog posts. You don't have to copy paste typing, just screenshot it, give it to the ChatGPT, and it will auto suggest you where to internal link and what to internal link, right? Example, if you take a look at this, blogging can quite lucrative if done correctly, and you can link how to build an email list, because blogging also involves building an email list for retaining the users, right? So let's look at one more thing. Many more bloggers are known as experts just because of their blogs and a brief history of blogging. So some might be not irrelevant, some might be irrelevant, and you have to look for it and strategize it. If you want to have AI to automate this system, then this is the best way to internal link. And external link, maybe you can also external link because it also has deep search. I'll leave a link in the description to watch how to external link with the ChatGPT free version. And with that being said, catch you on the next one.